Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hopefully, everyone is fine, enjoying your life. And currently, I am in Birmingham. I have a course to do for 7 days. So, rather than going to someone's home and disturbing them, I have friends they would love, and if they will know I'm here, they will literally call me and they will say bad words to me because I'm not going to their house. I don't want to make someone's life difficult. So, and as I go for hike and do camping, so I thought rather going to someone, I would go for camping, and we'll see how the things are going. So I just came yesterday night, or we can say today early, around 1 p.m. So I left around 11 p.m. yesterday. So at 1 a.m. I was here. I slept in my car, woke up, prayed Fajr, slept again, went to the course, just get back. I wanted to do some work, so here I'm doing some work, and this is a mosque. And we will see how these 7 days are going to go. It will be challenging because daytime I will be studying, and then I have my breakfast and everything. So we'll meet throughout, and I will keep showing you how I'm spending my days. So this is day 1, and currently it's 8 p.m, 1 hour before sunset, and I just took a shower. So the best thing I did, I think, is before coming, I actually 1 week before, I get a gym membership. That gym is available all over the UK, so I can just choose which gym I want to go, and then I can enter, do some exercise, workout, and then take a shower, as I have everything in this mini car. This is now, it was like a room, now it is like a house to me because I got everything with me. And there is also a mosque where I can go, and that is near to my, you can say, where I'm studying, the institute. So let's go. I'm hungry, I want to eat something, so let's see what will happen. And I'm looking for a woodland area where I can go and camp nicely, and also meanwhile I can cook and eat. So the first priority should be eating, then we can think about the camping. Let's go. So I am in Sutton Park inside Birmingham. So there is a lake here. It is very beautiful place. So I'm just trying to find out where I can camp. I went inside. Inside there is no grassy area. It's all leaves. So I'm going to look if I can find out any place over there. Otherwise I think this will be the fine place. I'm just looking if there will be inside grassy area like this. That would be better. And it's like 2 or 3 minutes left for sunset. So I'm just making egg. I'm going to close it, and until it will be cooked I will pray. So I'm going to pray because it's been like 10 minutes. The adhan has been done. It is ready. Yeah, it is. So actually I used butter instead of oil, which was easily accessible. So I get this vegetable butter. I think it's ready. I'm just going to put some salt and black pepper on it, and put the stove and everything back, and bring salt and black pepper from the car, and put this rubbish as well in the bin, because I don't want to end up making a mess here. Rather I want to leave no trace and clean area as I found. So I'm going to put black pepper. It smells nice. inshallah in eating it will be great. Some salt, and after eating I'm thinking to put my cap in this area, so I think it will be fine. There are a lot of rabbits here in this area actually. As I don't want to wash things out, so I'm using these wipes to clean it up, and it will be done. Camp is ready. It is under this tree, and it is in front of the road where some car has been parked. I'm just going to bring sleeping bag and the down sheet, the mattress. Then I will be sleeping after prayer, inshallah. Slowly it is getting dark, and I just prayed Isha prayer, and now I'm going to sleep. I'm going to just set up my mat here, and this is my sleeping bag, and it's getting cooler also, so we will meet in the morning, inshallah. Take care. I have no idea what time is it, but it's early in the morning. I think it will be around 4. My phone is off, so I'm going to go to the car. Alhamdulillah, the car is in front of me, so it will take just 5-6 steps to reach to the car. So the stars are visible, not visible with the camera. Even it's too windy, I can see a big star over there. And as I predicted, the time is almost about for the Fajr prayer. It's 4:10. I'm going to pack fast so I can reach to the mosque and join the Jama'ah, inshallah. I started driving towards the mosque. There are a lot of rabbits. Even now they are jumping from here to there. Going towards the mosque for Fajr prayer. And this is the beginning of day 2. And it is 5:30. I am entering into the gym. So what I will be doing, I will do some exercise. For this month, as I just got the membership, so the first month is free. I can get this type of fruit juices with the nutrition. I just got out from the gym. I took shower in the gym after exercise. Now I'm going to Huda Center, where I will park my car and I will prepare the breakfast, inshallah, because that's the place where it's street parking. So it's not a parking, but it's a residential area where you can park easily, because there are some places which are not outside of any house. So maybe it's outside of the grassy area or outside of a mosque place. So let's meet there. So it's ready, and now I am going to have breakfast, and it is the beginning of the second day. Alhamdulillah bil alamin.